Honestly, it's been so long, but I had to take a break from YouTube because I would say that the content I was putting up there, honestly, I didn't know what I was doing. You know what I'm saying? But I had to take a step back and kind of refocus the mission of this channel and actually things that I would like to talk about and things that yeah, like exactly things I would like to talk about and contribute to the YouTube community. Um, so. The sort of goal of this video is, first of all, I'm gonna introduce myself because I don't think I ever introduced myself in any of my other videos. And then I'm gonna talk about what the mission is of this channel, what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna focus on. All right. So my name is Yofi Kwanzaa. Yofi Kwanzaa. I am a first generation Ghanaian, proud Ghanaian American. You know what I'm saying? And right now, currently, I work as a software engineer for PayPal. I have to say that now because I was a software engineer for Honey, but Honey got acquired by $4 billion by PayPal. Sweet deal, man. So working for PayPal, and it's it's honestly cool. It's real cool. Me, I my background is I didn't have a traditional route. I mean, I had a traditional route to the software engineering world because I got my bachelor's and master's in computer science. And now I work as a software engineer. Because a lot of successful engineers actually, they didn't do that. You know, you see a lot of freelancers, they didn't have no computer science degree. They just kind of learned on their own, freelance and learned about it and became a successful engineer. So that's what I'm saying. A lot of times you're going to hear about those. I think even more so than the traditional computer science software engineer transition. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's me in the gist. And what the mission of this channel is. So I'm just going to spit out the mission because before there's any other confusion, anything sort of surrounding to help me focus as well is I want to bring light to obscurity with practicality. You know what I'm saying? So uh, I want I want to demystify the obscurity of software engineering backend development in specific and focus on practical examples so y'all can gain intuition as to why this is a proverb of backend development or why this is something you should do as a backend developer or why you should account for this as a backend developer. You know what I mean? For instance, right? People always talk about the pros and cons between a microservices architecture and a monolithic architecture. I mean, I'm not gonna talk about like what all that means right here, right now, but I'm pretty sure if you Google that, right, like what are the pros and cons between a microservices approach versus a monolithic approach? I'm pretty sure what you're gonna see is for a monolith, you're gonna see, oh, monoliths are easier to develop, right? If you just want a POC, boom, 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 you could code it up and put it out there. I'm pretty sure what you're gonna see for a pro for a microservices approach is you're gonna see that there is greater separation of concerns, right? Um, and a whole lot more. But like, you know, for me, as far as like who I am, right? People can talk to me all day long, but as long as um, if I don't have practical sort of experience using or dealing with what you're saying and develop my own opinions on it, the I haven't understood the material well enough. That's kind of how I just take the approach to life in general. Is I want to understand it well enough for me to develop my own opinions, right? And that's what we're gonna do in this channel. You could expect like each video is gonna have a topic, and you could expect us. We're gonna write code so we can see the practical use case for this topic that we're talking about. So you can see actually it running in code, and then I'm gonna share my opinions, and you are more than welcome, encouraged, and actually mandated to form your own opinions, because that's how you know you have learned the material to a point where you need to learn the material too. You know what I'm saying? So that's what the point of this channel is. So we're going to get it rocking. Just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Um, I don't think I'm forgetting anything else. So the next video, man, we gonna I don't know exactly what it is gonna be yet, but you can expect us to write some code and actually, you know, compare some things on the line, right? On the, sorry, not on the line, but on the internet, for why this topic is controversial, why, what are the pros of this topic. And when we write our code and run it, then we're gonna see, oh, I can see why that's a pro. I can see why that's a con. I can see why you shouldn't do this when you are developing in this sort of way. You know what I mean? And it's gonna be back end focused, and we're gonna have some fun too. The thing is, for me, is I want, because I might talk about some things that, yeah, non-experienced engineers aren't gonna know. You know what I mean? Uh, but that's not the point of this channel. The point of this channel is for you to also, as if you're learning, for you to also put some comments and suggest some content that I could put on the channel to make it more accessible for everybody. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm expecting out of y'all watching this channel. To just, if you want to learn, if I'm saying something that sounds like straight gibberish to you, look, just put a comment. Oh, um, can you explain this topic a little more? And I'll be more than happy to, because like, I'm here for y'all. You know, I'm not here for me to just, just Nigerians say galavant anyhow. You know what I'm saying? I'm here to be for y'all, be here for y'all, you know? So let me know, and we're gonna get it going. All right. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, share the content, and let's get rocking and rolling. I'm excited. Thank you.